Ladies, we are back with our final 2 boxes of Series 9, and we have another special guest.
Forky asked a question.
I don't know.
How many boxes, how many doors do you think you have? How many doors do you have? What do you guys
6. I'm going to say 6, Forky.
6.
I don't know. I'll say 5.
All right, let's see what you got.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7!
7? What? No. Mom, you're opening the whole thing. Just flip the flap, silly.
7? Oh, no.
Forky.
You have blessed the boxes.
7.
In the name of Father, Son, and the Forky Spirit.
Yes. Oh, let's get
All right, let's get them out. All right, ladies, it is time to...
Get ready, Forky. We're gonna eat. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Eat.
Whoa, sorry, Fork.
Whoopsies. All right, ladies, let's start guessing. All right, Forky, are you ready for them to start?
Forky needs to talk in a higher voice. No, how should Forky talk? I don't know.
I don't know. What is cheese?
Cheese.
Minnie's 20s.
Minnie's 20s, Mom?
Minnie's 20s. Oh, gee, I have no clue because I'm too busy talking to Forky. So I don't know.
No, I don't know.
I don't know.
All right, open it up.
Here, you do it, Forky.
Oh, wait! It's Mushu!
You got Mushu.
Mushu.
That's exciting, and you got Minnie's 20s. So Mushu is a rare and Minnie's 20s is a common.
I'm a dragon. I don't do that.
Yes, we have a Mushu.
I do like Mushu.
All right.
Dragon.
Forky, you are in charge of making sure that they get this done, okay? Karyn, who do you think you have?
She's Winnie the Pooh.
She's Winnie the Pooh, Mama?
I'm guessing Creaky.
Cricky, get the bags. You are one lucky bug. We got Pooh. And
Pooh, but we've had lots of poo. Well,
Pooh did.
well, not 2.
And you got
Lots of-
Cricky.
Here's Creaky.
You are one lucky bug. All right, so Pooh is a common. Cricky is also a common.
Yes, he is.
On to the next ones, ladies. All right, ladies, who do you think you have?
I am guessing Dawn Bellweather.
My second batch.
All right, ladies.
No.
Second bat emotion.
Do we both have Dawn Bellweather?
Dawn Bellweather.
Woo! Is she fluffy?
She is not.
Oh, I wish she was flocked.
Fluff.
Oh, yeah.
But that's okay. We got 2 more Dawn Bellwethers, and Dawn Bellweather is a rare. On to the next ones. All right, who do you guys think you have?
It's one of the Minnie Mouses. Not sure which one.
Okay.
Dragon. I don't do that tongue thing.
All right.
Mushu. Mushu.
Minnie, it's
Oh, it's
1920.
Hold on.
Okay, this
I'm seeing a pattern.
I think we got a pattern going there.
Uh-oh. That's 3 duplicates. Are these going to be the exact same?
What do you think, Forky?
I don't know. All right. Let's go on to the next one. All right, Mama, who do you think?
I'm guessing.
Okay.
22.
All right.
Yep, it's Pooh.
Yep, 22.
And I think we now know that the rest of these are probably... Oh, no, I knocked over
No,
a
don't
poo.
spoil it. Don't spoil it.
Don't spoil it. I think
See, they're different. They're not the same.
he's
See,
b-boying.
they're different. Yes.
Yes. All right. So, Mom, we have 1 character left, and that's a mystery. So, whichever ones you guys have now could be the dupes. So, let's find out.
This is a dupe.
I
Okay.
think this is a dupe too. I think it's crooked.
I think this is 22.
Okay. Yep.
Ta-da!
Ta-da.
All right.
Hey, now, the last one. Ooh, we're going to
The last one is the one mystery one that we have left. So, let's give them time to guess. All right, ladies, who's our last one?
Heinrich!
I am a cute little bumblebee.
I love Heimlich.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about him. So,
And he's a common, and we have not seen him.
no, so all of these are dupes except for Heimlich.
I know. I love,
Yeah.
I love Heimlich.
All right, ladies. So your last 2 packages were your last package was identical. Anything to say to the fans?
Keep it going.
All right.
And we're just missing Edna mode.
Yes.
Someday she will come.
Yes. All right.
But
Bye, everyone.